Under the bottom before we push it through?
Okay. Right here.
Made in the USA. Your beauty bonus is free with the purchase of 2 or more Laura cosmetic products.
Push it through like that.
So it actually does look like toothpaste. You know how the mint toothpastes have like red and white mixed together with it?
Cool, cool, cool.
I worked with a translator for about 6 weeks prior to filming. Your pronunciation was perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
You just have to ask if you want to play with it sometime.
I can call you and come over and play with it. She said you just have to ask. That's awful nice of you. I see you're a sharer.
Yes, she does not share. Loves to play.
Play all you can, sweetie, while you're young.
Then you have to go to work.
That's right.
Oh, I play with my Barbies good.
You got Barbies too? My daughter has Barbies. She loves Barbies. Uh-oh, that goes on there. That goes on there.
And this one goes on here.
Thank you for letting me play with your Play-Doh drill and fill.
You're welcome.